Hello, I'm going to talk about how to achieve a colour harmony using a mother colour. It's a technique that was used by many of the French Impressionists, Manet, also Van Gogh used the technique, and Gianni Mameri, an Italian master. And because he was an artist and his brother was a chemist, they were just the perfect ones to design the most fabulous range of archival quality oil paints, the ones that I use today, Mameri Perot, as one I just love, and that's what I'll be working with today. And my mother colour will be there, King's Blue. Now, Naples Yellow and Naples Yellow Reddish were very commonly used as mother colours, and you'll see some examples here of some paintings that were done by Gianni Mameri where there would have been an underpainting done of wet paint in a mother colour, and then as you paint into that mother colour and you pick up bits of that colour into all the main colours that you put. If you would like to have slower real-time demonstrations, there are another 6 videos for this work available, and I've also on my website got a blog post where I'll go through the different colours that I've used. If you want to know a listing of the colours and the brushes and the canvas type and everything like that. So there is more tutorial and demonstration available. I try to put together a more entertaining, shorter demonstration for those who don't want the long. So there's the option of the short or the long, whatever you would like. So check out my website down in the links below if you want more information, and please give me like if you've enjoyed it or you've learned anything, and I'd love you to subscribe if you haven't already done so to my channel. what you see here represents 2.5 hours, which included preparation time and brush cleaning time, which to me is an important part, because if you don't discipline yourself to clean up and put away properly and care for those brushes, you're not going to be able to be an oil painter. Really, if you're mature enough to clean and look after your brushes, you'll be able to learn to do oils. It's one of the easiest mediums, one of the most forgiving mediums to work with. If you're thinking that I've always done my paintings at mother colour, I haven't. This is only the second painting I've ever done using the mother colour technique of putting down a wet colour and then painting into that wet colour. I normally would paint onto my primed, well primed, dry canvas. So this is also the first time I've used the King's Blue. The previous time when I tried it, which was back in my Buninyong Gallery days, I did it with Naples Yellow, and again I did it as a class demonstration. There are many different types of colour harmonies, and when I teach many different skills to my students, because it allows them to practice and try things out and to take from all the things they learn what they think will suit them and reject what doesn't. There is no dogma about painting. You can learn from many different people, many different techniques, and take the information that you feel works for you and go with that. Do what you do best and let the others do the rest is my motto and what I suggest to others. And look, happy creativity. Enjoy your painting. That's the main thing. And paint safely. In my other video tutorials that are there for my students and for my painting tier patrons, I also showed how to clean your brushes in a non-toxic way so that you're not using any thinners. I'm happy to share that with everybody. So if you go to my website, you will find videos on my website showing you how to safely clean brushes. There's a search bar there. You can put into search things that you're looking for. There's quite a bit of information in the website. And I've also got quite an extensive list of videos here on YouTube. If you put it into search, you'll find other demonstrations and tutorials. But I've got now about 7 videos for this, and I need to spend many more hours on this work to bring it up to exhibition standard. My classes used to be, when I was teaching at Buninyong Gallery, 3 hours long. So this wouldn't even be finished if it was one of those class demonstrations. I'd have needed to put in at least another hour for a class demonstration, and to bring it to exhibition standard, I'd probably be putting in another 8 hours of work on it. So that just shows you what's involved in doing a major work. You don't just slap them together. We're not Bob, what's his name? We do try to do skilled work. We work with archival quality materials, the world's best quality paint, very high quality stretch canvas. I've used the best quality chunking, bristle brushes. My materials that I work with are costly. I back that up by putting a lot of time, a lot of training, a lot of know-how into my work. I don't exhibit my work anymore. I've retired from exhibition after 65 years as a professional artist, and that's why I'm here on YouTube and also in Patreon and other areas where I have my art tuition. I'm here doing it because I want to pass on my knowledge and my experience, what time I've got left as a senior, and it gives me something very positive to do with my life. If you get any benefit from my putting my what should be probably retirement years that I'm working full time at this, because I've just got so much that I'd like to pass on. If you're enjoying that, please do give me a thumbs up, and as I said, share the YouTube links with other people if you think they would be interested, because I don't have time to be putting out lots of tutorial for you and being on social media sharing what I'm doing a great deal. So if you can help share my channel and help it grow, that would be a huge help for me, and I'd be most appreciative. So happy creativity again.